In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Squarespace link. Starting off, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, finding your way around Squarespace is straightforward. The user-friendly design makes it simple to locate what you need. Once you've arrived at the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your Squarespace dashboard. After clicking login, you'll be presented with a few options for how to proceed. For a seamless experience, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account for an easy sign-in process without remembering another password. Next, from the list of Google accounts presented, click on the one associated with your Squarespace account. This step further simplifies the login process by linking your Google credentials with Squarespace. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. If you have more than one site associated with your account, make sure you select the correct one. Your Squarespace dashboard is the mission control for your website, giving you access to all the tools you need. Now, let's dive into the editing part. Clicking on the provided link will direct you to a page where you can see all the pages you've created. Look for the edit option. This is where the magic happens. It's the gateway to tweaking your site's content and appearance to your liking. After you've entered the edit mode, it's time to focus on the specific piece of text you want to examine. Navigate through your page content and click on the text containing the link you wish to check. This action will reveal options pertinent to the editing of that text block. Following that, click on the edit icon. It's usually represented by a small pen or pencil symbol near the text block. Clicking this will open the text editing options, giving you more control over the content and, importantly, the links embedded within. Finally, to view or check the specific link, click directly on the text in question. Doing so will either take you to link editing options or directly display the URL, allowing you to verify or amend it as needed. Remember, checking links on Squarespace is essential for maintaining the integrity of your site and ensuring your visitors have a smooth navigation experience. Regular review and updates of your links can significantly enhance the performance and professionalism of your site. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to checking links on your Squarespace site. Whether you're ensuring the accuracy of your content or updating your resources, maintaining your site's links is a crucial part of website management. Happy editing, and ensure to keep your site links up to date and functional.